Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is to write linear equation. We are going to learn it here the easy way. We are going to learn today how to write equations in point-slope form and slope-intercept form. I want you to take note of this, guys. The point-slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, while the slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. Remember that. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Write an equation in point-slope form for the line that passes through -3 and 8 with a slope of 2. We know that the point-slope form equation is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. The 2 points are given, the x1 and the y1, and the slope of 2. The x1 is minus 3 while the y1 is 8. We're just going to substitute the given values in the given equation. Accordingly, upon substituting the given values in the equation, we're going to have y minus 8 is equal to 2 times x minus 3. However, we have two negatives inside the parentheses. So, negative times negative, it will give us positive. Consequently, we're going to have the equation in point-slope form as y minus 8 is equal to 2 times x plus 3. Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. We write the equation y minus 8 is equal to 3 times x plus 4 in slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form equation is y is equal to mx plus b. Let us rewrite the given equation below so that we can work on it. We are going to distribute the 3 inside the parentheses on the right side of the equation. Accordingly, it will give us y minus 8 is equal to 3 times x plus 3 times 4. Simplifying the 3 times 4, it will give us 12. Accordingly, it will give us the equation y minus 8 is equal to 3x plus 12. To eliminate the 8 on the left side, we're going to add 8 on both sides of the equation. And we can cancel off the 8 on the left side, which will give us the equation y is equal to 3x plus 20. Accordingly, we have rewritten the equation of the point-slope form in the slope-intercept form. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Write an equation in point-slope form and slope-intercept form for the line that passes through 1 and 2 and 3 and 6. On the condition that we are given 2 points, the first point will be x1, y1, and the second point will be x2, y2. Then, if you are given 2 points, solve right away for the slope, which is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Upon substituting the given values in the equation, it will give us 6 minus 2 all over 3 minus 1. And it will give us 4 over 2. Accordingly, the slope is 2 based on the 2 points given. We can now substitute all the given values on the point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Using the first point in the slope, it will give us y minus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus 1. This is the point-slope form. Since we need to rewrite the point-slope form into slope-intercept form, let us work on the equation y minus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus 1. Distributing the 2 inside the parentheses on the right side of the equation, it will give us y minus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus 2 times 1. And to eliminate the 2 on the left side, we're going to add 2 on both sides of the equation. Accordingly, we can cancel out the 2 on the left side, but we can cancel out the 2 on the right side as well. Subsequently, it will give us y is equal to 2x plus 0. This is the slope-intercept form. When the y-intercept is 0, the graph of the line will pass in the origin. Let us work on another example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. Write an equation in point-slope form and slope-intercept form for the line that passes through 1 and 3 and 5 and 8. If we are given 2 points, we need to solve for the slope right away. Accordingly, m is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Substituting the given points in the equation, it will give us 8 minus 3 all over 5 minus 1, which will be simplified into 5 over 4. Therefore, the slope is 5 over 4. The equation of the point-slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. We're just going to substitute all the values in the equation. And the point-slope form equation will give us y minus 3 is equal to 5 over 4 times x minus 1. However, we need to rewrite the point-slope form equation into the slope-intercept form. Therefore, we're going to write it so that we can work on it. Y minus 3 is equal to 5 over 4 times x minus 1. Distributing the slope 5 over 4 inside the parentheses on the right side of the equation, it will give us y minus 3 is equal to 5 over 4 times x minus 5 over 4 times 1. To eliminate the 3 on the left side, we're going to add 3 on both sides of the equation. And we can cancel out the 3 on the left side, which will give us y is equal to 5 over 4x plus 7 over 4. This is the slope-intercept form. To wrap it up in converting the point-slope form into slope-intercept form, simply distribute the slope inside the parentheses on the right side of the equation. Afterwards, cancel out the y1 or the number on the left side so that you can come up with the slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b. Likewise, to find the equation in point-slope form, if you are given 2 points, right away solve for the slope, which is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Furthermore, substitute right away the values of the point and the slope in the point-slope form equation. Just remember the equation. When it is point-slope form, it is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. While when it is slope-intercept form, it is y equal to mx plus b. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back, revise it again, watch it carefully, slowly, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positives. I want you to score high in math, then be wise and healthy. Okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!